All of you can see that
Yes,
man
yes.
again.
Yeah,
And
the raised hand will do. Yeah.
Yeah. So here, and then we have also seen how this pink one started to leave the room or the space or the page, whatever. And this man is little surprised. Why did he leave? And look, the pink one comes back with lot of dress, lot of, I mean, including a flag. What exactly is he up to? We don't know, but this man definitely feels pretty disappointed and sad, because I think something is going on in his mind. I'm sure you have also felt that something is not right here. Okay. And this man thinks, oh, he left? Wasn't that enough? Now that man comes back. The blue man now comes back. Please look at the pictures, children, and try to build up a story which is not written. But through the pictures, I'm sure you can see what is happening, and I'm not going to tell you now what has happened with this blue dress man. I'm sure you have felt something has made him little sad. And this man is pretty happy, okay. But then that blue man, the pink man again leaves the page, okay. And here comes that man. Something is happening to him. I hope you have all noticed. So, this is what has happened. This is what has happened. This is what he comes back. This is how he comes back. That pink man. And therefore, the blue man thought enough is enough. So he leaves the page. And the pink man is pretty happy that he has made the blue man leave the page. Okay? But then something happens again. The blue man comes back with a blue, what? Dragon? Dinosaur? Something like that. And look at what is happening to the pink man. He's almost falling off. And not that. I don't want to say what is happening. I'm sure all of you can see. And the man seated on top of that blue dragon or whatever is feeling happy. Really? Now let us see what is going to happen next. I'm sure you have already seen what is happening now. So what is the point in fighting with each other when nobody can win? They were fighting with each other in a way, isn't it? With the hope that one of them will be the winner. But finally, if I ask you who is the winner, I'm sure all of you will have the right answer. Who is the winner? In fact, the name of this book, which I shared with you now, is called The Winner. And I don't want to tell you anything more. I'm sure you have enjoyed the book, number one. And number two, I'm sure you have also felt, you have realized that pictures without words, I'm not talking about comic books, I'm not talking about comic strips, I'm talking about only pictures, without any writing, without anything written on top, can also tell us so many stories.